Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Korean Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, dumayo tayo from Pampanga to Makati to check out Odrey Spa.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so yun nga guys, si Odrey Spa is located dito sa may Lasema building and we're gonna get inside, check out their services. Meron tayong haircut, meron din tayong mga facial care, meron din tayong mga beauty services. So ayun guys, pasok tayo.
안녕하세요. Welcome to Odrey Korean Spa.
Ako po si Miramar, then Odrey staff po. Sa mga services po is we have a salon, haircut, hair color, blow dried, highlights, then balayage, we have po. Then facial, Korean facial, then phantom, waxing, eyelash, and then foot spa, then nails po. We have also lip tattoo, then eyebrow tattoo, then scalp tattoo also.
Hi, my name is Ria and welcome to Odrey Spa. Today I'm having their foot spa service and today I'm going to introduce to you our secret products. After our salt scrub, we have our mud mask to rejuvenate and relax our skin. So if your body's feeling warm or hot, then after applying mud mask, it'll feel cooler. To smoothen the skin and for the skin to absorb our Dead Sea salt minerals, we have our salt oil. Lastly, we have our body butter and foot cream. Mix it all together to moisturize and smoothen our skin.
Choi. Please come and visit Odrey Korean Spa here at Makati, Sampaloc Street. So, I do modeling, endorsements, car show. Favorite service ko dito sa Odrey is yung Korean facial nila since tayong mga Pilipino, napaka-idolo natin yung mga Korean products, skincare. So, yun, meron sila dito ng Korean facial and yung mga products na gagamitin nila sa face mo is all Korean products. Therapy massage siya dyan, na nakaka-flatten siya ng mga pilbil natin o kaya yung mga gusto natin i-focus, like yung gusto ko mas maliit yung waist, so meron silang massage para Siyempre, kailangan ko i-pamper ng sarili ko to look presentable and Odrey Salon helps me with that. Super recommend, and since I'm a fan, yung product nila is Korean product na super recommend ko siya. Please follow me on my Instagram, Cheyuri, and on my Facebook, Sure as Artistry. Thank you!
Odrey Spa address po is San Antonio Village, Makati City po. Our opening hours is 10 a.m. to 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday. Sa mga gustong mag-franchise, we contact Facebook account, Odrey Nail&Skin Spa, and Instagram, Odrey Nail&Skin Spa.